Hey, it's Apple Buff and welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're gonna see how even you can fix the issue of iPhone being unavailable. So without further ado, let's roll the video. Just in case if you're locked out of your iPhone due to multiple incorrect screen passcode attempts and you want to bypass it without spending much of your time, then you should make use of the 4UK software by Tenorshare, who are quite a known name when it comes to making easy and quick softwares that provide solutions to the problems related to iPhones, iPods and iPads. And talking about the software itself, the 4UK software is a reliable and efficient tool that helps one easily bypass the iPhone screen lock that is protected by Face ID, Touch ID or even a 4 or 6 digit PIN. The software is available for both Windows and Mac, and the link to the software is in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. Once you've installed the software on your Mac or PC, out of all the other solution tabs that you see on the home page, you need to click on the one that says Unlock iOS Screen, and then start by connecting the iPhone to the PC so that the software learns about the device, and also make sure that the device is in DFU mode. Once connected, tap on Next to get started, and since the iDevice has already been connected to the PC and has entered recovery mode, the 4UK software will provide you with the firmware package that is needed to fix the problem. Once downloaded, to begin the process of verification of the downloaded firmware, you need to tap the Start Remove button and the verification process will begin. And following the verification and unpacking process, the process of repair will begin in no time. And just after the unlock process is completed, the connected device will be factory reset, and now you can even unplug it and start setting up the iPhone. So with that being said, here's Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.